10 cruise mistakes you need to avoid at all costs there, cruise enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the 10 cruise mistakes you need to avoid at all costs. So, let's get started. 1. Overpacking. It's tempting to pack everything you might need, but trust me, you'll end up with a mountain of luggage. Stick to the essentials and save yourself the hassle. 2. Not booking your excursions in advance. You might think you can book your excursions on the ship, but trust me, you'll end up paying more. Book them before you board to save some cash. 3. Not checking the dress code. Each cruise line has its own dress code, so make sure you know what's appropriate. No one wants to be turned away from a fancy dinner because they're wearing shorts. For not getting a balcony, trust me, you'll regret not splurging on a balcony. It's worth the extra money for the views and the fresh air. 5. Not using your ship's app. This is your lifeline on the cruise, so make sure you download it and use it to its fullest. It's your go-to for everything, from booking excursions to finding out what's happening on board. 6. Not tipping. Tipping is a big part of cruise culture, so make sure you're tipping your servers, bartenders, and other staff members. They work hard to make your cruise experience enjoyable. 7. Not bringing cash. While most things can be charged to your room, you'll still need cash for gratuities, tips, and some onboard activities. So, bring some cash with you. 8. Not bringing your own sunscreen. Sunscreen is expensive on board, so bring your own. It's a must-have for any cruise vacation. 9. Not checking your email. Cruise lines often send important updates and reminders via email, so make sure you're checking your inbox regularly. 10. Not enjoying yourself. Finally, don't forget to have fun. A cruise is all about relaxation and enjoyment, so make sure you're taking the time to enjoy yourself. And there you have it, folks. 10 cruise mistakes you need to avoid at all costs. Remember, a cruise is all about having a great time, so make sure you're prepared and ready to enjoy yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more cruise tips and tricks. Happy cruising!